Hi, I'm Jerome, and I'm passionate about architecture, but my friends and family have no faith in my dreams of becoming an architect. They tell me,
"You already have a good job in construction, and ain't nobody trying to give a black man an opportunity to be an architect."
I often hear them say,
"Keep your head out of the clouds and your feet firmly on the ground, okay?"
I hate that phrase, but I understand why they say it. I pitch my ideas countless times, and investors love them, but can never find themselves eager to invest in a black person.
After his pitch meeting, Jerome stood by his car and watched TikTok videos and came across a live stream of a guy named Blacklist talking about stepping into your own brilliance and stop competing with others.
Black Dollar Fund only invest in black entrepreneurs because traditionally they receive less than 1% of all VC investments in America.
I was so excited, I went directly to blackdollarfund.com to apply for funding. Then I remember Blacklist said he has a 4-step solution to create unity and economic opportunity for black communities. So I had to find out, what are these 4 steps?
Step 1. Black Brilliance on the B-Side. Starts with learning your worth by watching Black Brilliance on the B-Side TikTok educational videos. These videos instill the knowledge that you and your people have always been brilliant. Step 2 is the Black Bakery, designed to help black people learn financial literacy, how to turn ideas into businesses, and more. Step 3 is Black Dollar Fund, which is designed to invest in black entrepreneurs when they're ready for investments. Step 4 is Black Unity, a social network designed to allow black people to listen, learn, and provide solutions to our common issues in America. We will vote on the solutions to the issues at hand and execute a plan to achieve our collective goals.
Jerome received the funding and became a world-renowned architect, traveling the globe with clients of all ethnicities. He speaks to black communities about his journey to achieve his dreams and how no one believed in him until he saw that TikTok video, which led to him getting funded. He has continued his education via the Black Bakery, and he's been a proud member of Black Unity, the social networking platform, because he wants to witness other black men and women sharing their testimonies of success, just like him.
That's how the system works. Thanks for sharing your time with me. I'm Jerome, and it's time to toss it back to the creator of this wonderful system, Andrew Weaver, aka Blacklist. Take it away.
Thank you, Jerome. I hope this helped my brothers and sisters better understand the system I'm building for us to finally provide a solid pathway to the promised land Martin Luther King prophesied about.
And I've seen the promised land. I may not get there with you, but I want you to know tonight that we as a people will get to the promised land. So I'm happy tonight. I'm not worried about anything. I'm not fearing any man. Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord.